What is a trust? You've probably heard the term living trust or family trust or revocable trust. These are all different ways of saying the same thing, and these are the most common. You can think of a trust as a substitute for a will. A will says who gets what under what circumstances and who's in charge of making that happen. And a trust does the same thing. The critical difference between a will and a trust is that a will is only effective when a person dies, and it has to be filed with a probate court and reviewed and approved before anyone can act under it or receive any assets from your estate. So everything filed in the probate court, including the will, becomes a public record. And, as you might imagine, it takes time to go through a public court proceeding. A trust, on the other hand, is a completely private document. No one's entitled to see it except those who are named in it, your heirs. And the successor trustee named in your trust can act immediately without having to go to court, without having to file anything or get permission first. So a trust is a totally private document that can be more immediate and efficient upon someone's passing, whereas a will is a public document once it's filed with the court, and the court has to review and approve it before anyone can act under it. So a will and a trust are similar in terms of what they're trying to achieve, but they just go through a different process down the road when someone actually needs to act. A trust is private and simplifies things when you die. A will takes a lot longer and is public.